Record this.
Come on, Jordan.
Somebody has to keep time.
All right, who's doing the time?
I'll do the time.
8 straight.
All right,
8 straight. You
bring it
say-
on home, bro.
Ready?
Come on,
Set,
Gunfire.
go. Do like 500 cameras.
I'm incognito. So I'm
Absent.
I'm incognito, so I'm wearing a.
Toga.
I am incognito, so I am wearing a.
Cape. Sheep. Blind. Man. Scar.
I don't know any other way of putting this. I really don't.
I'm blonde. Disguise.
Of course, it was disguised. Yeah, because she was told by her.
Oh, no.
Keep going. You might salvage one.
Come on.
If I have a 12 gig,
Shotgun.
what am I talking about?
No, 12 gig. What did you say? 12 gig. 12 gig. Oh, 12 gig. Computer.
Yes. And
Laptop.
Time.
It says computer?
Time.
Megabyte was what I was trying to get.
I have 8 of these.
I am incognito. I am wearing a.
Only Laura wears it. Only Laura wears the toga.
And Helen leans over and tells Jordan, disguise. And Jordan goes, scarf.